how to install the stator into the motor case. When you first get your stator, you'll have two wires. This is the front, the side that will be up against the gear housing. You have two wires there. You have two wires in the back for the brushes. Make sure the wires are routed over the keystone. This is the keystone, the plastic keystone. Don't put it this way or this way. If you do, your motor will spin backwards. So guide the wires across the keystone, both top and bottom. Orient the motor case so that it's in front of you and the hole is on the right-hand side upper. So now that you're oriented, you're going to drop the stator into the motor case. Okay, two wires, hold. Everything is lined up. Basically drop it in place. Drop it in. Route the two wires through. Okay, spin it up, don't spin it upside down. Slide the securing screws into their openings. Start it, but don't tighten. Just start it so that it holds the stator in place. You're gonna tip it over. All right, you're gonna grab the brush wires and you're going to slide them into the bayonets. Okay, that's one. Just like that. Okay, make sure that they're out of the way. Now you go ahead and seat the stator into place. Go ahead and tighten them through. If the power tool won't secure it, lay it down. Too big. There you go. That's tight. Flip it around. That's tight. Make sure that you zip tie these two wires and push them to the side. Okay? This will be in the gear housing. Bushing is already installed on the back bearing. Slide it over. It will seat. If you notice, the bushing will then be seated inside the pocket. Once that's done, I would go ahead and install the brushes. Insert the brushes in place. Just slide it over. Do not over tighten. Do the same thing for the other side. While pressing the spring in, slide the cap over. All right, so this is the top. The iQ cap has a notch that sits in here. You know, see the notch? Notch. So this can only go one way. It cannot go this way. There'll be a gap. So place it. So iQ will be vertical. Screw the end cap on. Okay. That being said, this would be in the gear housing. You would then route the wire through the base of the control module, like so. Make sure that it's routed to the rear. Place the PCB, connect all the wires. Make sure that the base of the control module is first secured with using the 3 screws before you put the PCB in place. And then connect all your wiring and you should be good to go.